Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So we're just here to solve this question on the cells. So the question is saying figure 1.1 shows two specialized cells, F and G, of living organism. So we've got cell F and cell G there. So cell F, will be able to tell to say cell F is an animal cell. Why? Because it has no cell. And cell G will be able to tell to say it is plant cell. Why? Because it is having a cell wall. So the first question is say, which is a Roman numeral 1, is saying identify the part labeled H. So we're just naming that part, part H on this guy, which is this one. So this guy, so H is just a cell membrane. Cell membrane or membrane. And then Roman numeral number 2 is saying, how does part H differ from I? How does part H differ from I? So as we said H, this H is just a what? A cell membrane. And I is just what? As we can see there, it is pointing where there is a cell wall, the outermost part of the plant cell. So the outermost part of the plant cell, that is in a cell wall. So how does it differ? So H is a cell membrane which allows the substance to enter and leave the cell, while part I, or a part labeled I on the cell G, is just giving the shape to the what? To the cell. So the other thing is that we can say part H is only found in, part H is found in both plant and animal cells, while part I is found only in what? In plant cells. So we can choose whichever we want. So just go for the simple one, which is part H. H allows substance to enter and exit the cell, while part I gives shape the cell. So here you can go with whichever you want. As we said part H is a cell membrane which allows substance to enter and leave the cell. Again, it is found in both plant cell as well as in animal cell. The other thing is that part I is a cell, a cell which gives shape to the what? to the cell, it also protects the cell from mechanical stress as well as pathogens. So pathogens, these are just foreign materials that can affect the cell. And then we have Roman numeral number 3, which is saying explain the functions of the structure labeled J. So labeled J is found in cell G, and we said cell G is plant cell. So plant cell, that part which is part G is what? So we say that is the Roman numeral number 3. Sorry, let's see here I've got it. So this is in okay, we've got that one. Anyway, don't mind my handwriting, guys, because the software I'm using is not that professional. And then part J, that is part J is vacuum. Vacuum. And what is the function of the vacuum? What is the function of the vacuum? So vacuum, it is a site of cellular storage. It is a site of cellular storage and waste disposal. It is the site of cellular storage and waste disposal. So what are those cellular storage? We have got nutrients, we have got water, and so forth. There are those things that are not needed. Those are toxic metabolic waste. Those are not needed. So it's the one which is responsible for disposing those things. Okay, so we said it's a vacuum. Now, what's the function of the vacuum? We said is there side site of the what? Of the cellular storage and waste storage. Waste disposal. Disposes just to disposal. That's all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let's wait for the next video. Thank you so much.